Hello, and just welcome to my classes. And I'm just super sorry for my background noises which are coming. Since I'm not using a cord. If I'm using a cord, so there is no many much background noises. But I'm so sorry about that. So today we are going to learning class 6 chapter 2.1 means second unit 2.1, the clothes line. So yes, let's get started. See, download the Maharashtra board books that you are able to see class 1 to 12 books. Otherwise download the state board books in both that I show. In both you are able to see first to 12 all books. So yeah, let's go on our lesson and read it. Then I will show you notes, and as soon as possible please write your notes. So just see our index means contents. So in voyage 1 there is a don't give up. This is a voyage 1, and here is the lesson number 1.7 means 1.1 to 1.7 is given here. But in our second voyage 2, in voyage 2 we are in voyage 2 also we have lesson number 2.1 to 2.7. So we have both means in voyage 1 we are able to see 1.1 to 7, and then we in voyage 2 we have 2.1 to 2.7. Then voyage 3 we have to 3.1 to 3.7. Then voyage 4 4.1 from 4.8. Only because voyage 4 is come in semester, so that's why there is a 8 lessons that you are able to see. So yeah, now let's move on. Next, our the clothesline poem. So this is our poem, the clothesline. So yeah, now lesson number 2.1, the clothes line. Hand in hand they dance in a row, hither and thither, and to find hither thither and to and fro, flip flap flow, and away they go, flirt running creatures as white as snow. Like rescue horses, they caper and prince, like fairy tale witches, they widely dance. Rounded in front, but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wine. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free, then leaving pegs and clothes line behind her. She flew like a bird, and no one can find her. I saw her gleam like a snail, her gleam like a snail. Where I in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping. For fun, nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket. So what they are trying to explaining us, this poem is written by Charles Durant Cole. So if we are completing the poem, so this is so important to take a name of who written this poem. So let us know meanings. For meaning I am just highlighting, means showing you. So Okay. Yes. So let me do it big. Okay, now I'm just taking out it. So, let us know meanings written downside, but I'm just telling you. So, hither and thither. What does mean by hither and thither? This question in your mind came, yeah. So, the hither and thither means old English word in many different direction. Means this handkerchief is going in many different directions, like in the north, south, east, west, means all direction. So flip, flap, flow, this is not any thing, this is a noise made by the clothes while moving in the wind on the clothes line. जो हम लोग रस्सी होती है, जिस रस्सी पे हम लोग कपड़े डालते हैं, उसे क्लोथेस लाइन कहते हैं। और उन उस पर हम लोग अपना जो हैंडकरचीफ होता है वो हम उस पर फैलाते हैं। सो दे आर मेकिंग अ नॉइस वाइल मूविंग इन द वॉन्ड, जब हवा चलती, जब वो लोग मूव करते हैं, सो दे आर मेकिंग अ नॉइस लाइक फ्लिप, फ्लैप, फ्लो। सो देन नेक्स्ट देयर इज फ्लटरिंग्स। फ्लटरिंग मीन मूविंग लाइटली एंड क्विकली, एकदम हल्का और एकदम हल्का और जल्दी, मतलब एकदम हल्के होते हैं और कहीं पे भी जल्दी से मूव हो जाते हैं। देन ग्लीम, हियर इज ग्लीम गिवन, जस्ट ग्लीम मीन्स शाइन, दे आर शाइनिंग। देन अ डिच, a ditch means, see here given, a ditch means a pit at the side of a road and road or field. Ditch means किसी रोड के साइड में जाके गिर जाना, या फिर किसी खेत में जाके गिर जाना, लाइक कैंटल ऑफ फील्ड। देन रेस्क्यू, see here given rescue horses. So in that rescue horses only rescue, because we know horses. So rescue means restless, fidgety, unable to remain still. Now I'm just showing you a meaning of fidgety. What is mean by J E T Y? See, I'm not showing you. To move or act restless or nervously. The fidget means रेस्टलेस, मतलब जो कि आराम नहीं करते, और नर्वस। रेस्टलेस यहाँ दिया है, फिडजेटली मतलब नर्वस, एंड अनेबल टू रिमेन स्टिल, वहाँ पे एक जगह ज़्यादा देर तक टिकना नहीं। कैपर मीन्स अ लीप, skip or dance about lively, playful manner. Crapper means skip or dance about lively, playful manner. Then pegs here given. Capper, where's Capper? Yes, see here, Capper. I'm just showing you. See, are you able to see here, Capper? I'm just draw that Capper. See here, Capper. Then Pex. Too very small in the line because it is taking too much space, as I tell you. So clothes line, leave clothes line. Pegs means pins used to secure something in a place, for example clothes on a clothes line. We are using a pin for stitch in the clothes line. Now I'm just showing that like pin. So I'm just showing you that pin. Wait a minute. See, this is the pins that we are using on clothes line. This we tell pegs. इस पिन को pegs बोलते हैं. Then next we have prince. Then next we have prince. Do you know what is mean by prince? So next we have to see what is mean by prince. See here. See, are you able to see prince? Prince means walk or move with the high springy steps. कहीं पे घूमना, वो भी ऊंचे स्प्रिंगी स्टेप्स के साथ. Then widely, here it means very hard and violently. Do you know what is mean by violently? I'm just showing you. Wait a minute. Sorry students, there is a spelling mistake. That is not violently, this is a violently. Violently means strong and extremely. Then there is a last one, that is widely. So widely means, here it means very hard and violently. Yes, I explain you that only. Okay, the worldly. Okay, fine. Then not much more. We have the. Okay, now we are going to understand it. So hand in hand in the dance, they dance in a row, hither and thither and to and fro, flip flap flew they, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. So what they are trying to explaining us that हाथ पे हाथ पकड़ के उन लोग नाचते हैं, यहाँ वहाँ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में जाते हैं और फिर आगे पीछे होते रहते हैं, टू एंड फ्रो, आगे पीछे. देन वो आवाज़ मचाते हैं, फ्लिप फ्लैप फ्लॉप एंड अवे दे गो. फ्लिप फ्लैप फ्लॉप वॉइस मचा के आगे जाते हैं, फिर पीछे आते हैं. Fluttering creatures as white as snow means they are moving lightly and quickly as white as snow. Means जब ऊपर से स्नो गिरता है तो कितनी लाइटली गिरता है, बट वेरी क्विकली, जल्दी से गिर जाता है. मे बी तुम लोग अगर कश्मीर गए होगे या फिर थोड़ा सा कश्मीर साइड में, तो तुम लोग ने ज़रूर देखा होगा इन ठंडी के मौसम में. सो लाइक रेस्क्यू हॉर्स दे क्रेपर एंड प्रिंस, मतलब रेस्टलेस हॉर्स की तरह नर्वस, दे आर अनेबल टू रिमेन स्टिल. वहाँ पे रहन मतलब वहाँ पे ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रह पाते रस्टी हॉर्समैन. देन दे क्रेपर एंड प्रिंस मीन्स उनकी जो लीप एंड स्कीप डांसिंग अबाउट लवली एंड मैनर. प्यार से नाचते हैं सब मिलके और बहुत मतलब चलते हैं या आगे पीछे होते हैं वो भी ऊंचाई पे लाइक स्प्रिंगी स्टेप्स. देन नेक्स्ट देयर इज like fairy tale witches and widely dance like a fairy tale witches widely they dance as we know fairy tale. Then they dance in a row, rounded in front but hollow behind. They shiver and skip in the merry march. One I saw. एक बार मैंने देखा कि वो एक्साइटली डांस कर रहे थे.
क्या बोल रही थी तुम? नहीं सुनी मैं तुम्हारी बात. क्या बोली?
एक बार मैंने देखा दे आर डांसिंग एक्सपीरियंस स्ट्रगलिंग बट दे वॉज फ्री ऑन दे लिविंग द पेग्स. मतलब वो जो पिन लगी थी वो लोग उस पिन्स को छोड़ के पीछे क्लोथलाइन्स के बिहाइंड हर शी फ्लू लाइक अ बर्ड. क्लोथलाइन के पीछे से वो एक बर्ड की तरह उड़ गए एंड कोई भी उन्हें नहीं ढूंढ सकता. मैंने उनकी शाइन देखी लाइक अ सेल सन में मतलब धूप में. दे आर फ्लिपिंग एंड फ्लैपिंग एंड फ्लोपिंग फॉर फन. तो कोई भी नोबडी नोस वेयर शी नाउ कैन बी. किसी को नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ पे होंगे अभी. हिड इन अ डिच और ड्रॉन्ड इन द सी. कहीं पे फंस गए होंगे कहीं पे गिर गए होंगे या फिर सी में पानी के अंदर चले गए होंगे. शी वॉज माई हैंडकरचीफ बट वो मेरे साथ अभी नहीं रहे और वो अब कभी भी मेरे पॉकेट में वो वापस नहीं आ पाएंगे. सो या for today's class this poem has completed and we can understand it also. Now we are going to writing a notes. So please as soon as possible please write your notes. And if you have any doubt about this poem, so please write in comment box because I'm not able to listen your voice. Please write in comment box and I can make one more video for solving your doubts. So let's go on notes. So are you all of you able to see the notes? So please write as soon as possible. So I'm just writing this. What answer in one and please write a hard words. I'm just giving you hard words. Hither, thither, flip, flap, flop, flop. I'm just giving you all hard words because हार्ड वर्ड्स के लिए खुद से करने बोलो तो सारे हार्ड वर्ड्स बन जाते हैं. सो या हितर and thither. Don't write and. Hither and thither. First one hither, second one thither. Then third, fourth, fifth. Flip, flap, flop. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Then sixth one fluttering. Seventh one creatures. Eighth one capper. Ninth one prince. 10th one witches. Here 11th one hollow. 12th one shiver. 13th one gleam means shine. 13th one shine. Gleam. 14th one flipping, flapping, flopping. because that both are same, but this is for our general knowledge, so I'm just giving this is a new word, so that's why. Then so 15 16 7 15 16 completed. Then 17th one, ditch. See here, giving a ditch. Are you able to see ditch? See, and drawn. 16 now, 17 18. We have 18 hard words only, so I'm just telling again. First one hitter, second one thither, third one flip, fourth one flap, fifth one flop, sixth one fluttering, seventh one creatures, eighth one capper, ninth one prance, 10th one witches, 11th one hollow, 12th one shiver, 13th one gleam, 14th one flipping, 15th one flapping, 16th one flopping, 17th one ditch, and 18th one drowned. Then you have to write this full poem. If please take a screenshot, all of you, otherwise this is in your YouTube only, you can see it at any time. So yeah, I just got all. So thank you. And then now I'm just again showing that. So I'm just opening a slide. Wait a minute. Please see this. My I'm written first one, second one. My third one is going on, but I can read it. What is described in the poem? The poetess Charlotte Bronte Poel describes the clothes on the clothes line swaying in the wind, waiting to be free. Second one, what are the clothes compared to? Give two examples. The clothes are compared with two white snow, restive horses, fairy tale witches, a bird, and a snail, and a sail. What do what what do restive horses? What do restive horses? So hopefully आप सबने स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लिया होगा. So thank you for watching this video. So if anyone have any doubts, so please write in a comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For get a notification, please click the bell icon. Thank you. And don't forget to write your doubts in the comment box. Thank you.